Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can delete your chats on GroupMe account. If you want to delete chat with other person or the conversation that you had with the other person, what you can do is, in order to delete your chat, you need to first thing update your application and then make sure that you're already logged into your GroupMe account. Once you're logged into your account, you'll be taken to the chat page. So basically this is what the interface is going to look like. So you can see right on top I have this group. So in order to delete the chat, you need to open up the group page and then click on the profile name or the group name. Be taken to this page where you'll be able to see a list of options, and right at the bottom click on the settings option. As you click on settings, you'll be taken to the settings page, and then you have an option as clear chat history. Now click on this option and then click on clear chat once again, and this is actually cleared your chat history. In order to delete your chats clearly, then what you can do is you can also do this process, that is in group, which is right at the bottom, and then click on yes, and the chat will be removed from your home page as well. So in this way you can delete your chats on GroupMe account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.